Welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday, December 20. So, currently, I'm preparing to cook adobo because magpapagupit si Warren at ibibigay ko yun sa barbera niya. Hindi ako naglalagay ng sibuyas, bawang lang. Sinasama ko rin yung balat. Masarap kasi yun, yung aroma ng balat. Even on fried rice. Golden brown na, we'll put the pork. Garlic and pork, and then takpan lang natin para lumabas yung mantika ng pork. So while hinihintay natin yung pork, let's do the dishes. Kamusta naman kayo mga guys? Ayan. 5 days to go. It's Christmas. This is my first time to mag-Christmas away from my family. And makikita mo talaga yung difference. Iba talaga yung sinasabi nilang iba yung Pasko sa Pinas. Totoo yun. Totoo siya. Ba't yung nasabi? Kasi sa Pilipinas, makikita mo din yung iba talaga yung feeling. Yung rush ng people. Maybe siguro hindi ako masyadong lumalabas dito unless puntahan kami ng mister. Pero makikita mo naman sa mga bahay-bahay, ganun. Although dito may mga Christmas decorations din. Pero, yung iba ka dito, bongga yung Christmas decoration sa yard nila. Pero basta, alam ng mga kababayan natin yung nasa abroad yan. Iba yung feeling. Although I'm happy kasi nandito yung asawa ko, kasama ko na siya, ganun. The bus is here, it's Friday, so ayan siya. Napaka-disiplinado ng mga tao talaga dito, no? Yun lang pinagkakaiba ng US sa Pinas. Disiplinado mga tao dito. Super. Though may mga ano rin, aksidente sa kalsada like the other day, may aksidente dito sa amin. 3 patay. Ayun. Pero pag sinabing stop talaga sila. Yun. May mga matitigas lang ulo, syempre hindi mawala yun, pero karamihan sa kanila disiplinado. Ayan. So pag yung bus naka-stop, they know na. They need to stop and distance themselves. Even doon sa kabilang side, stop din sila. So, ayan. Nag-brown-brown na ang ating mga baboy. Kaya maglalagay na tayo ng aromatics. First, syempre, paminta. Pamintang durog yung ilalagay ko. Kasi, sila dito, hindi ko nagpe-peppercorn. Minsan peppercorn nilalagay ko, minsan hindi. Next is the toyo. Yes, so it is here. Isang ganito. Or probably 1.5. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Lalagyan ko na ng konting paminta ulit. Then I need some bay leaf here. Si Warren, pag nilalagay ako ng bay leaf, tinatanggal ko rin pagkakain na kami. Kasi ayaw niya. Pero gusto niya yung araw lang. Pero kapag kinagat mo kasi, pangit yung nasa, diba? Siya. Then I'll put a little sugar. Mga isang ganito. I think 1 teaspoon to. Ang pa-balance. Tapos, we're going to put some vinegar. Mga 3/4 nito. Then, huwag mong takpan, huwag mong haluin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga ng seasonings. Napakarami. Hinayos ko pa yan. Ayun. Iba-ibang seasonings yan. Then, yung mga sauce, oil. Then, naglagay din ako dito ng mga bottles. Yan. Ano lang. Iba-ibang seasonings to. Lahat to, ginagamit namin. Yan. So, here's the adobo. Pinutusta ko lang yung baboy para pagka, ano lang siya. Kahit konti. Ganito yung sauce niya. Nag-reduce na yung sauce niya. Put the sauce again. That's it. Here's the adobo. Ayan. Wait lang guys at mag-aayos muna kami. And we're back home. Yes, we're back home. Warren got a haircut.
And wearing a hat to cover it.
Yeah. Yan. Nagsombrero din. Oh, haircut. You just get your haircut, but you put your cap on it.
Well, I wore it in. I had to bring it home.
So we will be out to check some dog foods, and we saw some snowflakes earlier, so I grabbed my puffer coat. Yeah, so lamig. Yeah, we're heading to the town. Boogie, new haircut.
Nung simula na pinasala ko, puro house decorations yung makiting lang. Okay, I can't wait for our house to be renovated. This one, Wonder Bread. Ordered some few items. Probably two. We'll go there probably. Some few stuff from here. Do we still have milk? It will expire on December 26th. I still have soy sauce. play it on Christmas Day. Oh! Where are you? Yeah, may box kasi kami doon, mga pallet from Dollar General. Eh, sinisira naman yun yung Reaper. Pick that one for Reaper. Then we got some treats. Aluminum, I think we still have one box there, babe. We have aluminum foil, the plastic, and the... What's that? For the baking? This 8 hours. We're looking for a card for the gifts. Yeah, I also got this one, wall clock, and a dance map. Mga party needs. Marami dito sa Dollar General. Walmart is bigger. Yeah. Oh, it's only $1. It's a sticker. This will be good. Yeah. And there's a lot. We only need how many? This is good. $1. Turtles. This is good. The Ferrero. $6. $6? 4 or 5? Oh, $6 each. Yes. Oh. I thought the whole box. More house decors.
We are home. At nakabit na namin yung wall clock. And the stockings are full of dogs' gifts. Oh. Now, I'll be cooking ginataang manok. Parang ano siya, tinola na may gata. Ganun. So, I'll be needing onion, to call it ginger, gata. I forgot to get they call it garlic earlier. So, wala tayong garlic dahil ginamit ko lahat sa adobo kanina. Pero it's okay. Okay lang yun. As long as meron tayong ginger. Kasi yun yung magpapalasa. And para kasi siyang tinola. Ganun. Tapos wala akong malunggay or pechay. Ang gagawin ko, spinach. So, these are the things that I needed. Gata, spinach. I don't have onion, garlic, so I got onion and the ginger and also the chicken. I'm currently put some olive oil sa pan and have it heated, then saute so everything. Yeah. And I put the ginger and onion together. Then pinalabas ko lang yung aroma niya. Then I'll put some fish sauce or patis. Ayaw niwarin yung amoy nito. Hayaan lang natin siya magtubig. Ayun na, nagtubig na siya. Hindi na pala nilagyan ko siya ng garlic powder kasi wala tayong garlic, right? Garlic powder na lang nilagay ko. And now, I'm going to put some ground pepper. And chocolate. Chicken cubes. Just warm water from the faucet. Just probably 1/4 cup. Then let it simmer. Ayan, after probably 3 minutes, kumulo na siya. Once kumulo na, haluin nyo lang. And then put the coconut sauce or coconut cream. Ayan. And let it be. Let it be. Until the chicken get tender. And guys, takpan natin. And in low heat, wait tayo ng mga 15 to 30 minutes. Finished product, guys. I just put spinach and potatoes. Ayan siya. Hindi ko na-achieve yung nagmamantika. Kasi iba yung ano natin, gata. Pero, it's good. So, it's already 9 o'clock p.m. And just done watching Yellowstone again. Yeah, so I'm just washing my tumbler and his tumbler to get water before we go to bed. Saglit ko lang kami kumuha ng tubig kasi ano to, malinis. Never ako nagkaroon ng problem sa tiyan since I came here. Yeah, malinis yung water nila dito. Unlike sa Philippines, diba? We need to boil or mineral water bibili. Dito, free and clean water in the faucet. Wait, I'll just need to get some ice. Ako ayoko ng ice. Meron ding heater tong faucet namin and even sa shower. Meron siyang cold and hot. So ito yung aming ice maker. Ayan. Automatic yan. Walang patayan. I will end the vlog, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. And have a great day to all in the Philippines. Good night, babe. Night.